Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Dr. Casey Kaimi. And this video we will discuss about ellipse. First of all, we will shortly discuss about what is ellipse and what is the major axis and minor axis. And after that, we will discuss about it, how we can draw ellipse in AutoCAD and how many methods we can draw. And at the end, we will discuss about the shortcut key for ellipse. So let's start the video and be with us till the end. So let's talk about ellipse. As we know that ellipse is a regular oval shape which are mainly formed from two axes. The first is major axis and the second is minor axis. The major axis is the one that on which we have the larger diameter of the ellipse, and minor axis is the one and which we have the smaller diameter of the ellipse. So we have to clear from this figure. We draw two ellipses. This is the first one and this is the second one. So for this ellipse, this is the major axis and this one is the minor axis. Because for this highlighted ellipse, we have the larger or diameter on this side and smaller diameter on this side. So this is the major axis for this one and this is the minor axis for this one. So this is the second one. You can see here for this is the major axis because the larger diameter on this side, and this is the minor axis because the smaller diameter is on this side. So now we have to move to the second part, which is how we can draw an AutoCAD. So let's move to the interface and activate the ellipse. So let's click on this first one. For the first one, we need only radius, only center and the radius of 2 points. So it is, you can see here, specify center of ellipse. So my center of ellipse is this point, and this is the radius. This is the radius of major axis, and this is the radius of minor axis, which is 2. So let's we check as venue. So this is the radius and this is the, so we can see here it is exactly 2. Now we have to check for the this one, for this one. So we have mistakenly taken, let's we check its diameter. So click on this one and this one. So you can see here it is exactly 10. So it's mean its radius is 5. We can draw this by another way as well. We will need to type just center by coordinates. I want to, my axis should be 30 and y value should be also 30. So this is our center, and now I want to give value to the y axis, the major axis, which is 5. Let's suppose it is 5, and value for the minor axis, I want to type 2. You can see here, you can check dimension. So you can see here that is 5. So it is right. So now we have to check for this one. So it is 4. So hence, now we have to move to the second method, and which we will need only the infants and the radius. So let's suppose this is the first point and this is the second point, and this is randomly the radius. So in the this method we can exactly put the coordinates as well. So let my first point is having coordinate of 15 comma 15. You have to click on it, and I want to move to this one. So let I put this value of 10. So we have type 10. You can see here. Now my minor axis I put value of radius to 2. So you can see here. Now we have to check set dimensions. So you have to click on it, and you can see here it is exactly 5. Now you can see for this one as well. You can see here it is exactly 2. Now we have to move toward the third one, which is the elliptical arc. So in this method we will draw elliptical arc. So you can see here it is written that specify axis in front of elliptical arc. So let I draw this randomly. So this is my first point and this is my second point, and I want this is my radius. So let I want to deactivate the orthogonal. So you can see here. So now I want to, so you can see here it is written that specify start angle. So let my start angle as randomly this point, and in angle as you can choose according to your choice. So let's my in angle is this point. Now we have to draw this by exactly accurately we can draw this. So we will need the coordinates for x and y. So let my coordinates for x is 5, comma for y is also 5. You have to type enter. Now let the radius of this is diameter of this is 10. You have to divide the orthogonal. So let this is the diameter of this is 10, and for radius for minor axis let this is 2. So now we have to deactivate the orthogonal. So you can see here specify start angle. So let my start angle I put manually. Let this is 270, and my in angle let I have to put as 0. So you can see here. So according to your choice, you can choose differently. So in this video, we discuss about ellipse and major axis, minor axis, and after that we discussed the 3 different methods that we can draw ellipse and AutoCAD. The first one we need only center and radius from the center to major axis and minor axis, and after that we discussed the second method. Second method is we need just a diameter. Mean the first point and the second point, and the radius of the minor axis we can say this major axis as well. So the two points are the diameter and the radius of the second side. And this is the elliptical arc. Through this we draw elliptical arc. So this was all about ellipse. So if you have any question, then you can type in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.